Hello, my name is Lily Hoffman, and I'm going to show you how to do question 10. Okay, so let's first start with part A. Write down the next 3 rows to continue this sequence of equation. So first we have 2 equals 1 cubed plus 1 in the first row. And the first thing that I'm noticing is on the right side here, both numbers go up by 1. So we have 1, 2, 3. So for the next row, we know that the equation for this would be n cubed plus n for whatever number that's going up. So that's what we can write here for number 4. And then on this side, something else that you can see is 2, 4, 6, it's going up by 2's. So we can know that for the next row that we're about to figure out, but you need to know how many terms you're going to have in that row. So you can see here that there's, in each row, the amount of terms corresponds to the number that's on the right side. So for the 4th row, we know that there will be 4 terms, but it will start after what number is left here. So we can go 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20. And that way we can get the 4th row, and then we can keep going on with that rule of this expression that we have here for row 5. So we have 5 here cubed plus 5, and then start off with the number that we have here last on the last equation, which would be 22 plus 24 plus 26 plus 28 plus 30. So we can see we have 5 terms because the number on the end is 5. So let's do that again for the 6th row. 3 cubed, or 6 cubed plus 6, and there will be 6 terms here. So let's keep continuing. 32 plus 34 plus 36 plus 38 plus 40 plus 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. So now we've completed this part A by knowing how many terms that you need in each row. So for part B, let's start that now. Write down the 10th row in the sequence of equation in part A. So we can know that the 10th row for the right side will have 10 cubed plus 10, because that's still true to this equation that we have here. But how do we know how many terms are going to be on this side? Well, we know that there will be 10 because that's been the rule for the equations that we've had here. So, but how would we know what the term we would start off with? So here's how you can do it without doing the next rows after that. So on the last one here, if you notice, you can see that the numbers are going up, increasing plus 2. So it starts with 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. So it keeps adding 10 to the sides. It keeps adding 2 to the sides here. So if we start off with the last one that we have here, it increased by 10, and then it increased by 12. 32 plus 12 equals 44 plus 14 equals 58 plus 16 equals 74 plus 18 equals 92. So that's the number that we have here, and we kept going up until we got to the 10th row. Because we started at 6, this was the 6th, then we have 7, 8, 9, and then on the last add that we had to do, we got to 10th row. So now we know where we need to start off when we add the 2. And we still know that we have to have 10 terms. So plus 94 plus 96 plus 98 plus 100 plus 102 plus 104 plus 106 plus 108 plus 1010. And that is the 10 equations. That is for the 10th row. Thank you so much for watching.